digestion. So children, let us learn about the food and nutrients, food and the different nutrients that are present in different foods. Let us learn about that, about different vitamins and minerals we are going to learn in this class. So children, food is the basic requirement of all the living beings. It is the basic requirement of all the living beings. We need food to growth, development, and also to survival, isn't it? Why do we need food? We need food for the growth, development, and survival. Food provides us with energy which we require to perform various functions of our body, isn't it? Which we require for the functions of our body, various functions of our body, and also it protects the body against diseases, isn't it? So let us learn the nutrients in food, different nutrients in and then different food. So what are the different food that we eat? It contains nutrient in it. So let us learn about that. So the first one is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So what are carbohydrates, children? Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. Okay, carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. So they provide us with energy that keeps our body warm there. Okay, they provide with energy that keeps our body warm. So children, like sugar and starch. Sugar and starch are the common carbohydrates. Sugar is present in all the foods and starch is present in food like rice, wheat, potato, etc. So you can see some more examples also here. That is bread, rice here, and then sweet potato, and here potato is here, sugar, honey. So all these food items we have will get energy to do our work, isn't it? They provide energy and keep our body warm there. So carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. Okay, these are the examples of some food that is present, the carbohydrates that are present in it. Okay, and as a children, to one activity they have given here to test the presence of starch. To test the presence of starch, that is carbohydrates in a food. So what you need to do, you can see in the first picture here, in the figure you can see, crush a small piece of food and add a small quantity of water there. Crush a small piece of food and add a small quantity of water, and then you have to add iodine to it and add few drops of iodine to it. So what happens, you can see in the second picture here, the second figure, the solution, it turns blue color. Okay, if blue color appears in the solution, then the food contains starch in it. Then the food contains starch in it. When you crush a small piece of food and add water and iodine to it, if the solution turns blue in color, then it contains starch in it. If the blue color does not appear in the solution, then the food does not contain starch in it. So so whether we can do this activity to know whether the food contains starch in it or not, or carbohydrate content. Okay. And then children, next nutrient is proteins. So children, proteins are found in bodybuilding foods. Proteins are found in bodybuilding food which help in growth. So it is very important for the growing children like you children. Okay, it is very important. So proteins also help in repairing the damaged cells in our body. Okay, like this, the foods that are rich in proteins, that is eggs, fish, cheese, dal, milk, and chicken here. So these are some examples of food that is rich in proteins. If you have this every day, if you have these foods, so you will get more proteins there. So these are also called bodybuilding foods. They are also called bodybuilding foods. And the next is fats. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. They also help to keep the skin smooth. So like if we use oil, ghee, butter, and nuts. So these are some examples of that is rich in fats. So they help us to keep the skin smooth itself. Okay. And as extra fat can be stored in the body and it insulates it from cold weather. Insulates means protects. It protects from cold weather. Okay. However, most of our energy needs are met by the carbohydrates we eat. Carbohydrates like rice, wheat, and all we eat more. So the more energy we get more energy from carbohydrates itself. Okay. Even though fat is more it gives more energy than the carbohydrates. So most of our energy needs are met by the carbohydrates we eat in our daily food. Every day we eat, no? So that is fulfilled by the energy that needs that are fulfilled by the carbohydrates we eat every day. And the children, next is vitamins. So children, vitamins are essential for the growth and maintenance of our body. Vitamins are essential for the growth and maintenance of our body. We need vitamins like A, C, D, E, K and B complex in small quantities. So we need these vitamins in small quantities. So whatever I said, like A, C, D, E, K and B complex. So these we get from vegetables and fruits and all, and then in some foods we get this one. So let us see the table here. Let me read out, children. You can see in the textbook here. Vitamin A. Vitamins, effects and sources. Vitamin A. So the leafy vegetables, pumpkin, etc. So it promotes growth, helps night vision. So if we eat these leafy vegetables or pumpkin, so it will it contains vitamin A there. Vitamin A is present in this. Okay, so that is, it is helpful in night vision and promotes growth there. And then vitamin C, lemon, orange and amla, etc. for healthy teeth and gums. Vitamin C is helpful in for healthy teeth and gums. And vitamin D. So we get vitamin D from milk, eggs, and then also exposure to sunlight, etc. for normal growth of bones and teeth here. And then vitamin E, tomatoes, meat, gram, butter, etc. for normal reproduction. Vitamin E. And then few more minerals like vitamin K, cabbage, cauliflower, eggs, yolk, etc. So that is vitamin K is present in it for clotting of blood from any injury. And then these are effects there. And then vitamin B complex that is present in soya bean, green vegetables, beans, bananas, meat, etc. for general health. So like this, these vitamins are needed in a very small quantity for our body. Okay, next is minerals. Minerals are needed for normal functioning of our body. Minerals are needed for normal functioning of our body. They are required by our body in a very small quantity. Even minerals are required in a very small quantities. And one more table they have shown here. So that is minerals, effects and sources. Iron. So the food that is rich in iron, that is spinach, jaggery, eggs, groundnut, etc. So that is, so what are the effects of this? For formation of blood. And then iodine, iodized salt or fish. So what we use at home, everyday salt, that is iodized salt. You can just go through the packing there. You can see there iodized salt. So what is the effect there? For formation of protein. Okay, and then also children, calcium and phosphorus. So the food that is present means that is milk, fish, meat, green vegetables and green leafy vegetables. Calcium and phosphorus for formation of bones and teeth. Calcium is very essential. So these are present in this food. And the children, foods containing vitamins and minerals are also called protective foods. They are also called protective foods because they protect us from many diseases, isn't it? If there is any, whatever I read here, all these vitamins, if any person is having deficiency in that, so they have to suffer some diseases there. So that only these vitamins are called protective foods there. So we have to have all these vegetables, fruits and whatever I read here. So then it is complete there. So the food is complete. So we can be healthy there. Okay, if we have all these vegetables, fruits and then whatever I read here, like meat, eggs and all, fish and all. So in a very small quantity. So the body needs all these nutrients there. All these nutrients is needed in a very small quantity like vitamins and minerals also. And the next is roughage. So what is roughage, children? Roughage is the fiber there. So fiber means a part of a plant that we eat is good for us. A part of a plant it is that we eat is very good for us there. So roughage cannot be digested. So the roughage which cannot be digested by our body, we get roughage from leafy vegetables, salads, cereals and fresh fruits. Okay, so it helps in to remove the waste material from our body. So the food cannot be digested, the roughage cannot not be digested by our body, but it helps to remove the waste material from our body. Okay, see the picture here. And the next is water. Children, water is not a nutrient. No, water is not a nutrient, but is needed by our body for the proper functioning, isn't it? So it is needed by our body for the proper functioning. It helps in digestion and also to remove the waste from our body. And children, up to 75% of our body weight is water. Up to 75% of our body weight is water. It is lost from our body every day. So it is said that you should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay, you should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. So children, I hope you have understood. And the next part, that is different food requirements, balanced diet, digestion of food, and then remaining part, let me continue in the next class. So read the lesson. Okay, you can just go through the vitamins, the food which that is present. You can just go through the lesson there. Okay. Thank you, children.